The global market for children's content, including animated stories and wonderful coloring books, is set for phenomenal growth through 2028. Driven by soaring demand for high-quality educational and entertaining content for kids. Parents and educators are increasingly using animated stories for their educational value and engaging qualities, thanks to digital platforms making them easily accessible and shareable. Get ready for a booming year in children's educational and entertaining content. The Kids Fantasy PLR license offers a golden opportunity to tap into this rapidly expanding market. Welcome to a world of imagination, creativity, and endless fun. Introducing Kids Fantasy. Kids Fantasy opens the door to a magical collection of 500+ animated stories and 500+ children's coloring books, designed to captivate your child's imagination and creativity, inspiring a lifelong love of reading and art. Our content are educational tools designed to develop your child's cognitive skills, improve vocabulary, enhance comprehension abilities, and improve imagination and creativity. And here's the best part, with Kids Fantasy and a PLR license, you have exclusive rights to these content. Brand them as your own, sell them, or use them to build your business. Imagine having your library of 500+ high-quality animated stories and 500+ coloring books, ready to share with creative and quick-thinking kids. With our PLR license, the possibilities are endless. You can launch a subscription service, set up an e-commerce store, or start a YouTube channel to share and promote your content. Whether it's animated stories or children's coloring books, you have the freedom to be creative and entrepreneurial. Unlock endless opportunities to grow your business and inspire imagination. Our content emphasizes inclusivity and diversity, ensuring every child sees themselves represented in the tales they love. Parents will cherish quality time with their children, and kids will be excited to explore their creativity and imagination through fun and educational stories, while coloring a variety of shapes and characters along the way, making learning and growing enjoyable. So why wait? Don't miss this golden opportunity. Join the wave of success and make a difference in kids' lives with Kids Fantasy. Click the button below and get started today.